To mow the lawn. To mow the lawn. You can't mow the lawn if it's wet. To work in the garden. Yesterday, I didn't work in the garden. To dig a hole. To dig a hole. I dug 3 holes for planting. To plant vegetables. I want to plant some vegetables in my garden. To plant flowers. My mother is planting flowers in the garden. To water flowers. To water plants. He is watering flowers and plants with his father. To rake leaves. To rake leaves. Rake those dead leaves when you finish watering. To trim the hedge. To trim the hedge. She was standing barefoot in a corner of the lawn, trimming a hedge. To prune the bushes. She spent all day pruning the bushes. To sow seeds. We sow carrots between the onions. To hoe. To hoe. We hoed the vegetable patch in the garden. To pick vegetables and fruits. I picked some apples from the tree. To weed. To weed. To remove wild plants from a place where they are not wanted. I have been weeding the vegetable garden.